Hi everyone, I'm AJ with Heat Transfer Warehouse. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Hotronix laser alignment system. This is a great tool to have in your shop for lining up all your different garments when you're pressing on rhinestone designs, transfers, heat transfers, transfer paper. It's going to give you that consistent press and consistent location of all your transfers. This is the instructions. Here's your guide. We'll get to that later on how you line it up on your garment. Everything comes packed nicely in some styrofoam. Pretty much only three things in here is going to be your main base. Here you're going to have your power adapter and the 4 screws. Do not lose these 4 screws. And last but not least, your laser assembly. Here you're going to have 4 lasers and the attachment cords that will connect to the base. So this tool is very simple to set up. Again, you're going to be attaching your lasers to this front of this mount here, and you're going to see 4 holes. You're going to line them up with these 4 holes. The important part is to get your wires over the top because they're going to be plugging into the back of this assembly. It's a simple power adapter. It's just going to plug into the back of your base. Here's the alignment wizard that we originally took out of the box. So really what you're going to see here is just different alignment options. You have different grids for measurements. You have the neck and tag line. So each little laser can be individually moved and aligned with the wizard. And it's got a little tightening screw on top to make sure each of your lines is in place of where you need it. The top line and the bottom line are going to line up with the top and bottom of your transfer as you've adjusted your lasers to do so. So at the middle of this transfer, I can see it's going right on the edge of the A just by folding this. We're going to line it up. And again though, this system is just to make sure that each of your transfers is consistently laid out to where you need it. You can check out more about this product by going to heattransferwarehouse.com, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos just like this. Thank you for watching.